So let me show you how to make blue background on CapCut PC. So after you place your video in the timeline, here is my video that I want to blue its background. So right click on the video, go to copy, and right click on the above timeline and paste. So now I duplicated my video. So make sure to align the first video and the second video in center. So now hide the first video. After you hide the first video, now click on the second video that you duplicated. Go to this video, then remove background and click on this auto remove. So from there, now you remove the background of the second clip. So now go back and unhide the first clip. So now here is the first clip, I unhide it. Now select the first clip and then go to this video basic. Scroll to down and click on this canvas. So click on the arrow beside the canvas and click on this section. So now go ahead and click on this blue. So scroll to down and select the blue effect you want to use. So let's say now I want to use this one. After you select the one you want to add, it says here background has been added. So now click on this mask. Go above and click on this add mask. So now select rectangle, scroll to down and click on this reverse. After you select the reverse, so now all you have to do now, drag this edge to back like this. So now I blue the background. So if you want to change the blue, just go ahead now, make sure to select this one. If you want to change the blue, just select the second clip, but the first clip, go to video, basic, scroll to down. Under the canvas, you'll be able to see different background. So let's say I want to change it to this. So as you can see now, the background has been changing, or you want to just blue it. So you can go ahead now and choose one of these blue effects for the background. After that, you can play your video. And that's it. If this video helps out, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.